Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so today we're in the streets of Nairobi and we are going to be asking Kenyans what do they love about Somali and the country of Somalia.
Yeah, so we did a part 1 of this video and most of you liked the video, so this is why we decided to do a part 2 of this video.
If you're new to this channel, leave us a comment so that we know what you think about the video. You can also like, subscribe, share, and you can join our memberships of the channel. So come with us, let's go. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Jackie.
Jackie.
Yeah.
Okay, that's your social media or your real name?
My real name is Jackie. Social media, it's Jackie Cream 4, that's TikTok. And Instagram at Jackie_creamy.
All right. So today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Somalia?
Yes, I do.
What do you know about them or what have you heard about them?
Somalian people. I can't say only ladies, only men. All of them, they are beautiful, they are handsome, they are cute, and also their hair.
Yeah, you love their hair.
I love their hair.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, and also I'm a dancer. The way they dance, there's this shoulder dance that they do. I like it so much.
Is that both Somalia and Ethiopia? For me, I've only seen that with the Ethiopia people. Also Somalia?
Yeah, also Somalia. They dance it so well. Right. And then they are so deep rooted in their culture. I love it so much. And the women, they dress up like they cover.
They cover up. Okay.
Yeah, they are, and also what do I like about they have unity. Like here, not like here. There in Somalia, when you disrespect one of them, I'm pretty sure they'll come the whole family.
That's nice.
They are friends. Yes, they have unity. And also when here in Kenya we say kuomoka. When one has kuomokad, they will surely help the others who are down. Yeah.
So they have unity and they help each other grow.
Yes.
Those are good qualities. And have you ever mingled with any Somali here in Kenya?
Yes, I do.
What's your impression of them or what do you think about them?
One, it was hard to understand their Swahili.
They have an accent.
They have an accent, so like it was hard getting to understand. And they are so polite. Yeah, when they don't know something, like watakuuliza vizuri, like they will ask for assistance. Yeah.
Oh, those are good qualities.
Yeah.
And is Somalia a country you'd like to visit, maybe explore or whatever, or experience when you're given the chance to go to Somalia? Would you take it?
Yes, I'd like that. Like I'll go and visit. I have heard so much. I also do history. I love history so much. I've learned so much about them, like everything. I'd like to go and visit and also learn more about their culture. Yeah.
If you're given an opportunity to marry or date a Somali guy, would you consider? Hey! Well, that's a bit tricky.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky, yeah, because you have to change the culture, you have to do it. Yeah, so like I'd like to, but also it's on a 50-50 way.
50-50 because of religion.
Yeah, because of religion, yeah.
Okay, so for those who are watching Somalis, if you want to say hi to our friend, follow her social media, you said?
TikTok, it's Jackie Cream 4 and Instagram, Jackie_creamy.
Yeah, you can just go and say hi. You're coming from Twinshangout, Kenya. All right, Sasa, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Abdi.
Abdi.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, it's important I ask you this question because of the topic. Were you born in Kenya?
Yeah, I was born in Kenya, yeah.
So you're a Somali community of Kenya?
Somali, Kenya, yeah.
Okay, so we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Somalia?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
What do you know about them or what have you heard about them?
Okay, first of all, Somalia, it's my home country. My grandfather was born there. So I had a lot of good things to do in Somalia, such as culture, religion. They are religious people. And they have a lot of beautiful places, beach, you see. They have a lot of beautiful women, you see. It's a beautiful country, you can visit here.
And is there anything else you love about the Somali culture or the Somali community?
Anything else I love? I think they are doing business good, okay? Yeah. I see a lot of people from Somalia in Kenya doing best. For example, in Sli, you see, yeah.
Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Tevin.
Tevin.
Yep.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Somalia?
Yeah.
What do you know about them, or what have you heard about them?
Both Somalis, they have beautiful ladies. They respect their culture. Yeah, cause they really don't want to get out of their culture. Cause respecting it is a very good thing. Let me say it. And their food, by the way, have you ever tasted their food?
I've only tasted injera, but I'd love to taste the other.
Yeah, they have a very delicious food. Yeah, and let me say, in the a partnership at the business is a very good thing they have, because they do support each other. Yeah.
Okay, have you ever mingled with any Somalis here in Kenya?
Yeah, when I was a child, I was raised with a Somalian mother. For some months, I was staying at her house, so I was staying with the chicks, yeah, and sons.
All right.
Very beautiful.
Okay, so from the ones that you've mingled with here in Kenya, what is your impression of the Somali people, or what do you think about them?
Let me say they have respect. Yeah, they respect people. Yeah, and another thing, they are loving. Yeah, they are loving.
Okay, so if you're given a chance to visit Somalia, is it a country you'd like to visit?
Yeah,
What would you like to see, or you just like to go and explore?
I'll just go and explore, because I've never known them about any other things, but exploring is a good thing to me.
Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, welcome.
Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Laura.
Laura.
Yeah,
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Somalia?
yeah, sure, yeah.
What do you know them for? Or what do you know about them?
Well, I know them for their culture. They've not stood out from their culture, and also for their good foods.
Good food.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're asked to visit Somalia, is it something that you'd consider?
Not really, but I try. I'd love to.
Okay. And what about, have you ever mingled with any Somalis here in Kenya?
Nah.
You've never seen any?
I've seen a lot. They're cute, actually. They're really cute.
And have you ever interacted with them?
Yeah,
What's your impression of those ones you've interacted with?
they're so kind. They're so loving, and they love to share a lot.
Oh, they love to share.
Yeah.
That is a nice quality. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Silver Dizzy official.
Silver Dizzy Official.
Yeah.
That's your social media.
Yeah, show all social media. Silver Dizzy official.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Somalia?
Somalia, yeah.
What have you heard about them, or what do you know about them?
Okay, first, Somalia, nasikianga, I hear that they have more money, gold. Yeah.
Money and gold.
Money and gold, yeah.
Ooh.
That's what I hear about them.
Okay, so Somalians, if you're watching, let's know in the comment section.
Yeah, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm just here for people, but I'm not sure. But I think, yeah, that's my mentality.
Is there anything else you've heard about Somalia and Somalians?
Somalian, actually, the Somalian, I like the way they dress. I like the way they look. They look unique, actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you're asked what you love the most about the Somali people, what would you say?
Actually, the dressing code, the look, and another thing is they loved people, but at the same time, the story I hear about them, even me, I'm coward of them. Yeah.
The stories you hear has made you what?
It's made me be like, actually, for me, the way I know myself, I can't afford to stay there, because their things expensive. Yeah. So, and the story I hear about them,
What have you heard about them that scares you?
actually, that story we can talk about outside the tent. It's not.
Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Evans.
Ivan.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Somalia?
Yeah, of course.
What do you know about them, or what have you heard about the country?
Somalia. When I hear Somalia, I see in Kenya we have Somalis, people from Somalia, and they are called the Oria, you know. So when I hear Somalia, I see their people, because we have a lot of them in Nairobi, Kenya, in a place called Isili. There are so many. So when I hear Somalia, I see them. I see their people, you know. Yeah, they have they are a little bit different compared to us native Kenyans. Our hair is hard. My hair is hard, guys, and theirs is like smooth, and it looks like those of the white people, you know. They are not white, but their hair is not as hard as ours.
All right. And have you ever mingled with any Somalis here in Kenya?
Yeah, I have mingled with Somalis in Nairobi, Isili. They call it the Little Mogadishu. Yeah, so I've mingled with them, and they are good businessmen and women, because Nairobi is a business hub in Kenya, and they know business. So when you ask me about Somalis, the first thing that comes to my mind is business, because they own a lot of businesses in Kenya, and they are doing so well. So I have mingled with them in the line of business, maybe buying stuff from their shops. Yeah.
Okay. And from the ones that you've mingled them, what is your impression of them, or what do you think about the Somali people?
Somali people are nice. They are nice, and the impression that comes to my mind about them is that they are business minded most of the time. Because in Kenya, you can rarely meet Somalis idle, you know. Most of the time, these guys are busy. They are always having big shops. They are selling a lot of stuff, and most of them are rich, guys. Most of them are rich, because people who work constantly, and they are pushing their businesses, they must be rich. Most of them, actually a good portion of them, are rich in Kenya. The ones who are not rich are just a small portion. Most of them are rich. So when you ask me about Somali, the other thing that comes to my mind is wealth, because they know businesses, and you can, if you go to their businesses, you can find a father with their son, with the wife, brothers, yani the extended family working together, and that's the mind of someone who wants to achieve stuff in life.
Yeah, so there's a point you mentioned that a lot of them are hardworking, and you can rarely see a Somali who's idle. And what I want to add to that is, I don't know if I'm correct, or I don't know if you've ever seen, I've never seen here in Kenya, or let's just say Nairobi, a beggar who's Somali. Have you?
Okay, it's difficult, but I've seen a few of them.
All right.
But a bigger portion of Somalis are entrepreneurs. They really work so hard.
All right, so and if you're given an opportunity to visit Somalia, is it something you'd consider?
I have never thought of visiting Somalia, honestly. When we talk about visiting countries in Africa, the first countries that come to my mind is Rwanda, Uganda. I have never thought of Somalia and Ethiopia. I don't know why, but I think growing up, this is not a shade to Somalia, but growing up here in Kenya, we'd see our president send the army to Somalia, you know, because of the, I do not want to mention the specific name, the terror units in their countries, just to protect our borders to the East African borders to Somalia. So most of the time I've seen the units of Kenya being pushed to Somalia to try and maintain peace and order. So in a way, as a Kenyan, I'd be afraid to go to Somalia. That's why it has even never crossed my mind that I'd want to go to Somalia. But I'd really want to explore the world. If an opportunity comes that wants me to go to Somalia, I'd definitely go. But honestly, I'd be so cautious, because in the media, you see, there's always one bad thing about the media. The media tends to show people the negative side rather than the positive side. So I have not gotten to know anything good about Somalia. I only see of bad news when it comes to Somalia. So if our media could embrace showing both sides, I'd really want to go to Somalia too, because naturally I'd love to explore the world, meet new people, new cultures, food. Yeah.
All right. So thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.